this is Heather from A More Crafty Life. Today I'm going to show you how to make a crochet washcloth using the crunch stitch. In the original pattern, I used Lily Sugar and Cream in Coral Sea Ombre. For this example, I'm using with an H hook. This example, I'm using Coral Rose and an H hook. The crunch stitch is an easy stitch, alternating slip stitch with half double crochet. You need an odd number for the pattern. For the washcloth, I used 41. So I'm going to chain 41. Okay, I'm going to keep going and then I'll be back. Okay, now that I have 41, or any odd number would work, I am going to slip stitch in the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through a loop, and then pull through the loop on your hook. Then 1 half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and insert all 3 loops. And then you're just going to alternate slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet until you get to the end of the row where you're going to end with a slip stitch. And I will repeat until the end. Okay, so we're back at the end, close to the end, and slip stitch, then a half double crochet, and then your last stitch, like I said, is going to be a slip stitch. So you slip stitch, then you're going to chain 2 and turn your work. So this chain 2 counts as your first stitch, and you're going to slip stitch in the next stitch, which is the half double crochet from the row below. So it's going to alternate. Every time there's a half double, you're going to do a slip stitch, and every time there's a slip stitch, you're going to do a half double crochet stitch. And then you're going to just repeat this across. And this is you're going to repeat row 2 for the rest of the pattern until you have the length you want, or I like to make my washcloth square. And you just keep repeating, and then I'll show you at the end where you put your last stitch. Okay, so when you get to the end, you have what looks to be like 1 stitch left, but you have this and then the chain. So you do slip stitch followed by a half double crochet, and then in the where you chained, that's where your last slip stitch goes. 1 slip stitch, and then you chain 2 and turn. And then you'll just keep repeating row 2 until you have the height you want, or a square. You can find this pattern and the ear warmer on my blog, A More Crafty Life. Thank you for watching.